When you go to take the sketch act,
Yeah.
tell them you've had someone straighten that the best they can by eye, and get them to tell you how close it is.
How close it is, yeah?
0.01 millimetres.
12 seconds later.
Still alive.
What?
I can't see what's loose. Hold on, let me get under.
Loose! What's not bolted in properly?
Drive
Look at the
shaft.
bottom ball joint. Woo! Yeah!
Yeah.
Woo!
Look.
Holy fuck! I can see it, yeah.
So, them two bolts there are meant to be in that hole and that hole. That plate is meant to be in your arm. That could have killed you. If that bolt snapped, your wheel's going.
Mate, I was banging 6th gear in that as well down the A6.
Whip your car off. And possibly you.
Bro, that is supposed to be there. That's supposed to be there. That's mad. That's mad. That's f***ing mad. No way. I was driving with one bolt in the ball joint. Well, here we are. It's running just barely. We had a madness today. I had the clutch and gearbox off in like an hour.
How much did that fresh Rolex set you back?
An hour?
An hour!
Shout out Tony. Car's running for now, so we've got to see if it's going to hold up to me going Cornwall or not. And if it doesn't, well, obviously more content for you. And if it does, well then obviously more content for you, because I've got some ridiculous plans for this. Maybe putting it on a lift kit, but we won't talk about that. Let's get to the good stuff. What the f happened to this motor? Let's go through a little bit of history here. This motor has had 6 owners in its lifespan. Turns out it was a Cat N, stolen and recovered. So that would explain why the glove box was missing, why the radio was missing, why the parcel shelf was missing, why this is sprayed, and why the engine is f***ed. I mean, honestly, the more we looked into it, the more we found. Today was mental. We had a come over a couple of weeks ago, tried to install a clutch, failed miserably.
Go for it.
Bro didn't even plug half the back in. Man was driving with one bolt in the fucking wishbone, so if you want to ask me if I'm careful, then there's your answer. It's done. Not done, but it runs. So enjoy the content. F you, mum. This is my GT TDI PD130 19 ASZ twin turbo 4 litre M3 Mazda rotary PD. Thanks. I'll keep the front door because mine's in the motor. Stand on everything, I hate it. Hi guys. Hi guys. You got me a little camera on me now. Good little quality, isn't it?
Yeah, do you know what it is, yeah?
Nice.
Glove. Crafty glove, mate.
Not much.
So, that sounded healthy. We're gonna go up to Royston Lakes and film the intro. But for you guys, this is gonna be like halfway in the video? Something like that?
Something like that.
Something like that. Either way, we've got to do a somewhat long drive to test the worthiness of the big
Test the big
I've got to
PD.
turn the traction control off. So, it took a very, 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 very long time and a lot of hard work to get to this stage where I'm at now. A lot of sleepless nights on the streets, homeless, begging for money for the PD. It was terrible. Professional depression killer Taylor Holborn came out of nowhere and was like, I know what could fix the depression, a PD. So I done what any rational human being would do, and I bought a PD. To the haters that are saying that, well, your clutch is gone and the EGR's you, I fixed it. And to you say, wow, you paid £400 for it, it's I've paid £400 for a car that's currently driving on the way to your mum's house to Rimmer. Suck out. My question to the haters. What colour's your PD?
What colour's your PD?
Well, what colour's your brigade?
Oh yeah, where's your Gators!
PD, purge depression. Okay, she didn't blow up. Right then, what's going on?
How does she sound from the outside? Well, I've got the brand new 3x50 stud pattern on my front wheel there, the left one, even though that's the right. We've got brand new nothing for it, so essentially it just sounds like it's fresh out the scrapyard because, well, it is. Let's be real, it's fresh out the scrapyard. This we call race car door. It's shut, right? Oh, it's actually working. I might have actually just fixed it, I can't lie by slamming it. We've got to do a slam test. Working so far. It's holding up, you know.
Still attached.
Do you know what? I'll give that 5 of these out of 10. Can I get a McGangbang, please? Can I get a Secura Sprite, please?
Japan's garlic and black pepper McNuggets. Can I get the Japanese nuggies? 6, please. A maple barbecue and bacon double quarter pounder, please. Can I have that as a meal, please, of chips and a Coke? Can I also have a coffee, please? Just your most powerful espresso.
Anything else?
Can I have a Secura X Sprite, please?
Anything else?
Do you have milk?
Next
I love it. Do you have milk? Next window, please.
I have one cup holder. I don't know how we're going to do this.
What?
Oh, it's not even open. So, Josh, check this out. You see my high beam there? It's on right now, but it's not on. That's on, that's off. What happens? Watch what happens when I put my indicator on. It starts flashing. My high beam starts flashing. Them fuckers who had the car before me have wired up the main beam to the fucking indicator. How awesome is that? Right, so, update. I smell burning.
If you guys are lucky, you'll see the right side of this car just set on fire.
That's it, we'll see. If we get the content in, hopefully the phone doesn't die, we can get some fucking banger clips of this car going up in flames. Get out of my way! I've got a fucking broken car!
Fire in a minute.
I'm losing power! It's not good! Yeah, look, there's smoke coming from my fucking driver's side, bro.
Fuck.
Get home!
You can hear the
This thing's naughty powerful, man.
naughty powerful, just comes with a side of smoky ribs.
Get out of the way!
Right.
Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go.
Oh, that smell.
Look at this guy. Whoa, you're gonna run me over! Oh, okay.
Oh, tiki.
Whoa! Where's your insurance? Where's your insurance? Let's go suss this out, bro.
If you touch this, you're actually doing something illegal.
Really?
Yeah. This, you can't touch it unless that's open. But you can still fucking take one out.
He doesn't want to take one out, he wants to take every single one out.
Well, you got Uno's
To get the car in there.
You want to get a car in it?
Oh, that one probably be better. That one there, look.
What?
That one's got less in it.
That's got less in it.
Look at this guy. Mate, I'll run you over with a motor. I'll run you over. Do you not believe me? Well, there we have it. The PD's sort of fixed, it's somewhat drivable, and I hope you've all learned a valuable lesson. Don't buy a PD!